Hi everyone, welcome to another tutorials with redesigns on how to Illustrator. Today we're going to be creating a beautiful background on Illustrator, and we're going to be doing something like this. Let's see how it goes. First of all, we are going to be creating a background as we usually do. We create a background. Let's go by using the rectangle tool. Draw a background here, and let's choose with our picker, color picker. Right over here, we choose this for the background and we lock it using Ctrl 2. That's the default for locking objects in Illustrator. Good. Then now go to creating our shapes, which are circles or ellipse, using the ellipse tool. Come here, right click over it, and you go to your ellipse tool. You can also use the letter L to jump right into the ellipse tool. Good. We draw a circle at the center. Let's start with this first. Let's place it at the middle of our canvas. Let's choose a color which will be the center color. Good. Then now we are going to duplicate this. Right click into it, we're going to transform, we're going to scale, and we scale it by 200%, and we click on copy. We duplicate it by Ctrl D, and then we take this to the back by pressing it twice. Hold your control with your open curly bracket. 1, 2. We come over here. We choose this as our color here. Instead, we press 1 bit and leave this as it is. And this, we choose this. I'll pick this color. Good. Now we have this circle. This is where we use the blend tool to create that effect. Now we highlight all of them. Then we double click on the blend tool, which is over here. You change it from smooth color to specified steps. Ensure that you're choosing this align to path. Then you set it to 30 and you press OK. You go to object, go to blend, then we go to make. Ta-da! That's how you can do this beautiful effect in Illustrator. Now you can move it to any place you want to. This is how you can create simple effects like this in Illustrator. I'll see you tomorrow or another how to Illustrator. Thank you guys for watching.